Rafa here, and this is an install video for the engine guard crash bar on a Indian Scout 2016, and it'll also fit on some Scout bobbers. The link is below to purchase them on Amazon. So we're going to start by removing the forward controls on the left side of the motorcycle. You're going to need a number 8 hex socket. I also have a ratchet, and an extension will make life easier to try to give you a little bit of leverage. The forward controls are held to the frame by 2 bolts here and here. I would also recommend that you get some blue Loctite when we put the bolts in. The crash guards themselves do come with bolts. I'm going to go ahead and use the factory bolts that are already here to put it on. Alright, so now the left side is installed, so we're going to go ahead and put on this bumper cap. It comes with another type of bolt. This is going to be another 10 hex. So it seems to be pretty, and I already put the Loctite on the bolt itself. Again, use the blue one in case you want to take it off at a later point, and just going to over torque this one. And now this is the completed version. I'm going to work on the other side now. Alright, so now the new bracket is installed on the left side. It's just a matter of putting this on. Again, it's going to be a number 10 hex. The camera's going to be a little off this time, but that's okay. Try to do it as best I can. There you go. And just tighten it again. I'm using blue Loctite on this to make sure that the bolt doesn't slip out due to vibration. Fully installed. This is the right side. You already said the left side. I'm going to go ahead and take some photos and add them to the end of this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.